Research Department of Computer Science. Today I am going to take seminar on pending intent. Pending intent. Android allows a component to store an intent for future use in a location from which it can be invoked again. For example, in an alarm manager, you want to start a service when the alarm goes off. Android does this by creating a wrapper pending intent around a normal corresponding intent and storing it away so that even if the calling process dies off, the intent can be dispatched to its target. Creating a pending intent is easy. The syntax are pending intent.getActivity, context, originating context in the request code 1, 2, 3, and the following are the syntax. Usually you can parser for request code and flags to get the default behavior. Intent regular intent. Pending intent pi equal to pending intent dot get activity context 0 regular intent. Thank you.